Hello, this is a video for adults today. Thinking about boredom busters. So you may have already heard the words "I'm bored," or I'm sure you will hear them in the coming weeks, or the words "I don't know what to do." And this is something that I have used before with children, and it works really well. I've seen it a lot online recently as well. So all you need is a pot. It doesn't have to be as fancy as this. It could just be a cup, and you can get your children to decorate it if you like, or just use it as a normal cup. Give your children separate pieces of card or paper and a pen, and ask them to write down every activity that they like to do in the house. Where if you've got outdoor space, you can include outdoor space as well. And you could even include things that they've seen online that they'd like to try, that you have the bits and pieces for, and pop them in the bowl. And the next time you hear the words "I'm bored" or "I don't know what to do," send them to the pot, and they've got an activity there, an idea to start. I hope this helps, and if you are looking for any other ideas focusing on anything specific, or any age of children specific, or any sort of play that you're needing a bit of help with, then please send us some messages and we can try and figure something out as a team and bring some more videos to you. Thank you, bye.